Equations reducible to linear equations. Consider the equation ax plus b by cx plus d is equal to m by n, which is not a linear equation. So this equation is not a linear equation, since the expression on the LHS is not linear. The expressions on the LHS is not linear, but we can reduce it into the form of linear equation by using cross multiplication. Next method is cross multiplication. If a by b is equal to c by d, then AD is equal to BC, or BC is equal to AD. First question, solve the following equations and check the solutions. First one, x plus 1 by 2x plus 3 is equal to 3 by 8. Solution, given x plus 1 by 2x plus 3 is equal to 3 by 8. Next we do cross multiplication. So 8 into x plus 1 is equal to 3 into 2x plus 3 by cross multiplication. Okay, so next we multiply 8 into x, 8x, plus 8 into 1, 8 is equal to 3 into 2x, 6x, plus 3 3s are 9. Next we transpose the variables to the left hand side and the constants to the right hand side. We collect the variables and constants. So 8x minus 6x is equal to 9 minus 8. So 8x minus 6x, 2x is equal to 9 minus 8 is 1. So next we transpose the coefficient of x from LHS to RHS. So x is equal to 1 by 2. That multiplication becomes division. Okay. So x equal to 1 by 2 is the solution of the given equation. Next we check whether the solution is correct or not. Check for x is equal to 1 by 2. We take LHS of the equation. X plus 1 by 2x plus 3. We substitute the x value in this LHS. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 plus 3 is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1. So we add this number. We want to take LCM. LCM is 2. So 1 by 2 plus 2 by 2 by here 2 to cancel. So matter 1 plus 3. So is equal to 1 by 2 plus 2 by 2. We add the denominators are same. So we can add the numerators only. 1 plus 2 by 2 by 1 plus 3, 4. So 3 by 2 by 4. We write 3 by 2 into 4 is equal to 3 by 8. So LHS is 3 by 8. RHS also, what is RHS? That's also 3 by 8. So LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. So this this value makes the LHS equal to the RHS of the equation. So the solution, this value x equal to 1 by 2 is the solution of the given equation. Next is second question. Given 3 by x plus 8 is equal to 4 by 6 minus x. 3 by x plus 8 is equal to 4 by 6 minus x. Next we do the cross multiplication. cross multiplication. So 3 into 6 minus x is equal to 4 into x plus 8. By cross multiplication. So 3 into 6, 18, plus and minus minus 3 into x, 3x is equal to 4 into x, 4x, plus 4 8s are 32. Next we collect the variable terms one side and constant terms one side. So minus 3x, we transpose 4x from right hand side to left hand side. So minus 4x minus 3x minus 4x is equal to 32. This 18 becomes minus 18. So minus 3x minus 4x minus 7x is equal to 32 minus 18 is 14. So next we transpose this coefficient of x from LHS to right hand side. So x is equal to 14 by minus 7. So we can cancel. So 1 7 is 7, 2 7s are 14. So x is equal to minus 2. So the x value is minus 2. Next we check whether the solution is correct or not. Check. We take for x is equal to minus 2, LHS is equal to 3 by x plus 8. So we substitute the x value. So 3 by minus 2 plus 8 is equal to 3 by minus 2 plus 8, 6. So we can simplify 1, 2. So 1 by 2. Next RHS. RHS is 4 by 6 minus x. So let's we substitute the x value. 4 by 6 minus x value is minus 2 is equal to 4 by 6 minus into minus plus 2 is equal to 4 by 8. We can simplify 1, 2. So 1 by 2. So both the LHS and RHS are equal. LHS is equal to RHS. So this value x equal to minus 2 is the solution of the given equation. Next, third question. Solve the equation x plus 1 by x minus 1 is equal to 2x plus 3 by 2x minus 5. Solution. Given x plus 1 by x minus 1 is equal to 2x plus 3 by 2x minus 5. So we do the cross multiplication. So x plus 1 into 2x minus 5 is equal to 2x plus 3 into x minus 1. Okay, we write like this, x minus 1 into 2x plus 3. So next we multiply by cross multiplication. By cross multiplication. So next we multiply this. First x into 2x minus 5. So x into 2x minus 5. Next plus 1 into 2x minus 5 is equal to again x into 2x minus plus 3, x into 2x plus 3. Next minus 1 into 2x plus 3. X into 2x, 2x square. X into minus x, 5x, sorry, x into minus 5x minus 5x. Plus 1 into 2x plus 2x plus 1 into minus 5 minus 5 is equal to x into 2x, 2x square, plus x into 3, 3x, minus 1 into 2x minus 2x, minus 1 into plus 3 minus 3. So next we simplify 2x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 3x minus 5 is equal to 2x square plus 3x minus 2x plus x minus 3. Next we collect the variables on hand side and the constants on hand side. So 2x square minus 3x, this variable we transpose to left hand side, so minus 2x square minus x is equal to minus 3. We transpose this minus by LHS to RHS plus 5. So plus 2x square minus 2x square cancel, minus 3x minus x minus 4x is equal to minus 3 plus 5 plus 2. Next we transpose the coefficient of x from LHS to RHS. So x is equal to 2 by minus 4. Next we can simplify 1, 2. So x is equal to minus 1 by 2. So the solution of the equation is x equal to minus 1 by 2. Next, fourth question, solve 6x plus 7 by 3x plus 2 is equal to 4x plus 5 by 2x plus 3. Solution, given 6x plus 7 by 3x plus 2 is equal to 4x plus 5 by 2x plus 3. Next we do the cross multiplication. So 6x plus 7 into 2x plus 3 is equal to 3x plus 2 into 4x plus 5. Next we multiply 6x into 2x plus 3. So 6x into 2x plus 3 plus 7 into 2x plus 3 is equal to, first we multiply 3x into 4x plus 5. 3x into 4x plus 5. Next plus 2 into 4x plus 5. 6x into 2x, 12x square, plus 6x into 3, 18x, plus 7 into 2x plus 14x, plus 7 into 3 plus 21 is equal to 3x into 4x, 12x square, plus 3x into 5x plus 15x, plus 2 into 4x, 8x, plus 2 into 5, 10. Next we collect the variable terms one hand side and the constant term other hand side. Before that we simplify 12x square plus 18x plus 14x, 32x plus 21 is equal to right hand side 12x square plus 15x plus 8x, 23x plus 10. Next we collect the variables on hand side and the constant terms on one hand side. So 12x square plus 32x minus 12x square from RHS to left hand side minus 23x is equal to 10 minus 21. So plus 12x square minus 12x square cancel. Next 32x minus 23x is 9x is equal to 10 minus 21 minus 11. So x is equal to, we transpose the coefficient of x from LHS to RHS. So my x is equal to minus 11 by 9. So this is the simplest form of this one, minus 11 by 9. So minus 11 by 9 is the solution of the given equation.